Hello guys, I'm back with another upcycle video, and today I'm going to be upcycling this dress. It's one of my old dresses, but I no longer wear it since I find it so boring nowadays because it's just a plain and normal dress. I have decided to make something cute out of it so that I can start wearing it again. Make sure you watch the whole video so that you don't miss out on the results. And with that said, let's get started. So I'm going to cut just above these strings all the way up to this end. Now I'm done with that part, and we already have two pieces. We have this top part and the bottom of the dress. It now looks like a skirt, but I still need to do more work on it. I'm also going to detach these string things from the bottom part because I want to put them somewhere else. Yeah, so I'll just do that right now. So here they are. This is how the bottom part looks like. I want to work with the top part first, and then I'm going to work with the bottom part later once I'm done with this top part. As you can see, it's a long sleeve. So I'm going to cut it to the pattern that I want to work with. And yeah. So I'm going to pin this top part so that it doesn't move around when I'm working on it. Don't want frustrations. So I'm done with the pinning part. I'm now going to cut it into the pattern that I want it to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and sew it into the new design. So guys, now I'm going to pin it nicely so that all the edges match. Then I can proceed to the sewing part. I really hope it's going to fit me. So I'm done with that part, and now I'm going to go ahead and sew all the parts that are supposed to be sewn. I think once you're done with the sewing part of this top, we are done with it. So guys, I'm done with sewing this top, and it's actually small for me. So I'm thinking of adding this mesh top so that it can fit me. So I'm going to make it work since these parts are coming to my breast and I don't like it. It looks so indecent for me. I don't like it like that. So I'm going to try and add something for it to fit me nicely. I want to add this mesh top. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to figure out something. So guys, this is how my top looks like, and I really don't feel the vibe, so I want to add more details so that I can feel its cuteness, you know. So guys, I'm done with the top, and so far I really like it. I can't wait to show you how it looks on me. Now I want to work on the skirt, and once I'm done with the skirt I can try them on so that you guys can see. So with the skirt I'm just going to add the waistband and some strings to the waist, and then I'm going to adjust the slit and make it a bigger one. I don't feel like this slit is long enough, so I'm going to add it up to somewhere here, and then that will be it for the skirt. This is how everything turned out today. I love the two-piece set, and I love the fact that I can wear them separately, and I really like it. I'm obsessed. I had some issues with making the top, but I figured it out, and this is how it looks. I really love it. It took me a whole night to make the two-piece set. So if you like my video, that will mean so much to me because it shows that you appreciate my effort. Let me know what you think about what I've made today on the comment section, and let's catch up in the next one. Bye guys.